Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete all your archive stories on Instagram. You know, when you post story Instagram archive story, and if you didn't want to have that story archived, I will show you how to delete them. Before we start, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorial. First things first, open the Instagram app on your phone. Next, go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. This will open the side menu. From there, tap on Archive. And when you come, tap on this and go on Stories Archive. Here, you can see all your archive stories. To delete them, select the ones you want to delete by tap on that. And then go on this 3 in bottom right corner. And go to Delete. And confirm delete. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.